Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back here to share a video that's going to be kind of a, a 2-for-1. So I'm going to be sharing some things that I made for a challenge for Doodle Daisies and Ink Creative, I think it is. And so her challenge is to make a layered tag, which I did. So I'm going to show you that, as well as I'm probably going to send her some bows. I also used my kit that I had gotten, not really a kit, but they had put together a little bundle. It's a bundle from Little Inker Designs. So you got this stamp set, as well as these layered butterflies. You got a Happy Easter die. You got an egg die. It's very, very cute. Okay, plus you got paper. So I used all the paper that came in that kit. I also made with, this was paper also used for that as well, just so you know, so of what I made with that. So my tag that I'm going to send her is this one right here, and I just love it. So I used the March Spellbinders small die of the month for my bunnies and my daisies, or whatever flowers those are. And the Be Happy also comes from that kit as well. The stickers come from the Echo Park Easter kit. This papers are all from the Little Inkers designs, as well as this butterfly, with I just put some gems there, which are coming apart. So I'm going to add some glue before I send it off. And then I just tied it off with some ribbon. I think it's very cute. So that was the first thing that I made. The other thing that I made are these bows. So these bows were all made using that paper and my Creative Time small scalloped bow. And then all I did was I cut the smallest butterfly and then put a little gem in the middle. I love how those came out. And then this one I just made some butterflies, which I just layered on top of each other. And I really love the stitched butterfly. Put little gems in the middle, and then the top I used that egg die along with a butterfly up there. And then I made a shaker card using that egg die. Just cut that egg die out. I cut the Happy Easter, put that on top, and then use these stickers from Echo Park. And then I got a lovely shaker. And then I made two tags, really super simple tags that I can put on some Easter gifts for my nephews. So this one says Cameron, and then this one says Bradley. So really simple, cute little projects. And so that's what I have today. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Crane with the Heart.